Sold lots of these Honda Civics over the years, and they have a little bit of a small issue that's easily remedied. And it's just in the clutch. So sometimes when you're in slow traffic, it's only a small thing, but you can hear a little bit of a squeak in the clutch. And eventually it comes into the mod. It just needs a small bit of lubrication. In terms of what you're using, I'd recommend something like a silicone spray. So this is for all the Generation 10 Civics. So I just want to get up and show you here now. So down into where the clutch pedal, see up here, that's where part of the clutch pedal travels in and out, and that's where we seem to see the squeak coming from. So all you want to do is just get some spray up into that, and then pump and work the clutch a few times to allow the lubricant to get in and out, and that should end up with a quiet clutch pedal. So anyway, it's a common problem, easily fixed. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.